Hey guys, Neil here with Chapel Gutter, and today we're installing these aluminum perforated insert style gutter guards. There's several different manufacturers that make these. There's RX Drop-In, there's Bulldog. If you get them at Home Depot or Lowe's, they'll have their own name for them. Many manufacturers make these guards. They're very simple to install, and though they sit flat on the gutter, they actually do a really good job with getting debris off of your gutter system and prevents debris from getting in the gutter system. So I really like these guards for a lot of homes. Remember, every home is different and you might want to look into a variety of options of gutter guards, but if you choose to go for this type of gutter guard, this is the video for you. What you're going to need to install this gutter guard is just a few tools. You're going to need a pair of 10 snips. You're going to need an impact driver with an extension bit on it, 1/4 inch extension bit, and then you're going to need some gutter screws. These ones are bronze to match the gutter guard. You can get them in a plethora of colors. Before we get started with this install, I do want to point out that on one side of these gutter guards there's a notch. On the other side it's flat, so there will be about a 1/4 inch, 1/4 to 1/2 inch overlay between these guards. It does not matter what side this lip, this extension lip goes on, just as long as it does extend past. Some people like to work with this lip going below, some people like to work with it going above. It's honestly whatever your preference is. So first thing first, we have our corner here. What I like to do, we need to cut this at an angle. I'll take my finger and just mark it with my finger. Go ahead and take my 10 snips. I know it's right there. And then we just want to cut it at an angle. I just draw an imaginary line with my eyes and snip that so it's straight. That way we have a nice little overlay in our corner. First thing I like to do, push the gutter guard up against the drip edge as high as possible. Then you put the lip of that guard down. Should snap into place as you just heard. And then I do one screw on the right, one screw in the center, and then one screw on the left. Alright, now you can see our notches over here on our right side. Place this guard and get a screw on your gun. Tight down. My biggest tip is right here we have a gutter hanger. Don't screw right above a gutter hanger because you can create a divot in the back of the gutter. The screws don't go through those hangers. Make sure that's pushed down. All right, we've made it back here to our last corner. Just gonna make my cut. How's that look? We fit good there. See, we extend a little bit past. I like to cut these. And then take our zip screws. There you have it. That was how to install the RX drop-in or Bulldog style gutter guards, the perforated insert style aluminum gutter guards. If you thought this was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to ask questions if you're not sure if this is the right guard for you and your home. And don't forget to subscribe for more.